we are calls Lincoln. Hey, that's a good idea. Lincoln in the street. How dare you talk to the Muppets? That's it. We are turn giant. Oh no, not turn giant. Yay, we are turn giant. It's a fail. Oh no, not Sebastian. We're big trouble. That's right. How dare you, giant? Why did you do that? Just because they know. That's it. I tell a Lennon about this. Lazar King, Marvin a Martian, Sunny escapes Oscar the Grouch. How dare you? Very her? Vamos along, are you yet to beg your tails? You know that's it. I gone back to the normal. Thanks, Ducky, for back to the normal. You're welcome. Not for the rest of you. One more, Comic Guardians. We're back at shock. Leighton, how dare you, Growlon? Your nose not hope yourself. That's it, you're granny. 7 years. Go to your room now. Whatever, screw. Don't you say mouse, bat, Ivan, me. How dare you, Growlon? Your nose not hope yourself. That's it, you're grounded. Todd, go to your room now. Whatever. Screw, eyes. I reef. Don't you say Mao in the Spatter Island. Meanwhile. Took him naughty Hicks. How dare you? Anything wrong. That's it. You're ground. I over the Justice Stormhouse in the bad time. Go to your room right now. Whatever. Screw her. I Raytheon. Don't you say mouse back to Ivan.